Hey, Doug. You know the steering wheel's been shaking lately?
Yeah, I noticed that.
Check out the tread on the inside. See how it's worn down?
Yeah, I see that.
See how it's kind of dishing out? I think it's an alignment problem. We should get these red tagged and get them to change the front tires out.
I agree.
Oh, hey man. We need to get our truck. Did you change out those front tires?
Let's see here. Looks like we inspected your front tires and they're fine. They're DOT legal.
All right.
You're good to go, man.
Thank you. Hey. Hey man, how's it going?
Fine. How can I help you guys?
Our front tires are worn down, especially the left one. We're gonna get them changed out.
Well, it's pretty backed up here. It's probably gonna be a day and a half before we can have anybody look at those.
Yeah, that just isn't gonna work. We got a dedicated run. We couldn't get our load delivered on time.
Well, it's the best I can do.
Thanks.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Hey!
Hey, man, how's it going?
Good, what's going on?
Oh, I got a worn front left tire, and we got to get the front two tires replaced anyways. Can you get us in?
Yeah, but we're pretty busy. I could probably get to you in about 26 hours if that works for you guys.
No, man. We got a dedicated load. There's no way we can afford to be down that long.
We're just too busy. Sorry.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Thanks. George! Hang on!
Car City 911, what is your emergency?
Yeah. We just had an accident.
Okay, where are you at?
I have no idea. I just woke up and my partner just hit some people head on.
Car City 911?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Byron Zaharias. My wife just called in this vehicle accident.
Yes.
There are 3 confirmed dead people.
Okay.
And 1 pin in.
Go ahead.
So you will need JAWS.
Have a request for an ambulance. Reference of 1050 on westbound I-20 at mile marker 220. Repeat, have a request for an ambulance at an accident on westbound I-20 at mile marker 220.